Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to record audio on a Samsung phone. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you can go ahead and swipe up. Now, go to tap on the search bar and just type down voice. As you can see here, by default, Samsung phones already have the voice recorder. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, give the necessary permission. Allow voice recorder to record audio while using the app, or only this time. It's up to you. Allow voice recorder to access music and audio on this device. Allow so that it will be saved, or your recordings will be saved. All right. So to start recording, you can now go ahead and tap on this red record icon. Tap on it. Allow. And test it out. All right, mic check, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now you can go ahead and rename your recording, My Sample Rec. Category, it's up to you. You can go ahead and add one, maybe my notes or my voiceovers, it's up to you. Hit on save. Now you could access this right here, okay? Tap on play if you want to. All right, now another option. For Samsung devices, we have the Samsung Notes as well. So you can just go ahead and find this. If you can't find it right here on your home section, swipe up again. Just type down Notes, okay? Right here. Tap on it. Then once done, open up a note. Now at the top right, we have the plus sign. And then here we have voice recording as well. While using the app, allow. And it's going to start recording. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3. Stop, and here you have your audio recording. All right, and there you have it. Those are the ways to record audio on a Samsung phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.